Hi guys, this is Dr. Nila with Keys of Health. I have had quite a few of you reach out to me and ask me about Manuka honey, how to choose the right kind of honey, and why I am recommending it. So I'm going to make this really short and to the point and talk to you about what makes Manuka honey different from other honeys and how you can pick the right one. Manuka honey is made from Manuka blossoms, which are found in unpopulated areas of New Zealand. Manukas are only found in New Zealand, and it's actually a Maori word. What makes Manuka honey unique from other honeys is its unique medicinal properties and powerful immune boosting compounds. Not to mention, it is very rare. Only 1% of the world's honey is actually Manuka. You want to look for raw Manuka honey since it's not processed at high heat like other honey, allowing the honey to hold on to all the powerful enzymes that are the secret behind its wonderful health benefits. So Manuka honey is immune boosting. It is a rich source of vitamins and other beneficial substances like vitamin B1, B3, vitamin B5, B6, niacin, zinc, iron, and others. It improves skin condition, preventing acne and smoothing your skin. And due to calcium and phosphorus contained in the honey, you can actually use it to strengthen your teeth. So if you would suffer from dental issues, this is a really good option for you. It is also great for hair and nail health. And these are just some of the many, many benefits of Manuka honey. Now here's the important part and what you need to really watch out for. Manuka honey has a scoring system. It determines the potency of the honey, basically how good it is when it comes to its health benefits. Manuka honey is graded for its antimicrobial properties, unlike other honeys. These markers can be very confusing at times. What I will try to do is give you the gist of my research on what to look for when you buy Manuka honey. The most important thing to look for is UMF, which is unique Manuka factor. It is a seal of authenticity by the government of New Zealand that this brand is selling the real Manuka honey. So if a bottle of Manuka honey doesn't have UMF, you don't want to buy it. UMF have a rating between 5 to 26. This indicates the medicinal or therapeutic capacity of that particular honey. So if you're going to use Manuka honey for medicinal or therapeutic purposes, you want to ideally look for 20 and higher. However, anything above 15 still has a strong therapeutic effect. Another thing you want to look for is MGO rating. This figure is directly related to the UMF rating of Manuka honey. This is the compound that gives Manuka its medicinal and healing powers. The higher MGO level the honey has, the stronger its antimicrobial properties and health benefits are. Ideally, you want to go for the highest 829 because you want to invest in a product that has maximum potency. You may have also heard of K-factor. K-factor is another grading system for measuring Manuka honey effectiveness. This rating system is totally different from that of UMF and MGO. It measures things like purity, number of life enzymes, pH level, antioxidant level, and tree pollen, Manuka tree pollen that is in the honey. K-factor numbers indicate how much pollen from Manuka tree the honey contains. No doubt you want to purchase honey containing maximum quantities of Manuka tree pollen, but it is interesting that K-factor does not measure MGO or NPA levels. As you can see, the bigger K-factor number is, the more Manuka tree pollen is contained in the honey. However, not all of the companies use this grading, so when it comes to authenticity, you want to look for UMF and MGO rating. MGO content is the primary factor, which is only identified and certified by UMF. I hope this has cleared some of the confusion associated with choosing the right kind of Manuka honey and understanding the labels. Just a tip, always use wooden spoon when using the honey because metal may react with the honey and reduce its healing properties. Especially never leave a metal spoon in a honey jar over an extended period of time like overnight. And that's not only true for Manuka honey, it's true for all honeys. So let's talk about how to eat Manuka honey. It can be used in various ways depending on therapeutic and prevention effects you need the most. In order to prevent certain diseases or boost the immune system and to improve your sleep, it is recommended to take 1 teaspoon of Manuka honey in the morning before meals. You can either eat it straight or mix it with 1 glass of warm water. For treatment purposes, you can take it the same way, but take it up to 3 times a day instead of just once, but no more than 3. Again, this is what you want to look for. Manuka honey is amazing and has many medicinal properties, but that doesn't mean that it is the only honey which is rich and has therapeutic values. I'm sure every region has amazing source of honey. Try to explore what honey is available in your area that is raw, ideally wild, and has a reputation of being a medicinal honey. You will be surprised at what you might find. Stay well, stay blessed. I will see you very shortly with another video. Meanwhile, please share the video, like it, subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.